Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a chicken Marsala barbecue sandwich. Alright, let's make the Marsala barbecue sauce. In this pot here I have 1 teaspoon, or a couple teaspoons, of olive oil that I heated up, and then I diced up, a half of onion, and now I'm going to add roughly 2 cloves of garlic through the mincer, and then just over medium heat, give these about 4 to 5 minutes to cook up. Basically, you want to go till the onions start to go translucent. Okay, now the onions and garlic are done. They're nice and happy. Time to add 4 ounces of Marsala. Marsala is kind of a dessert wine. You can find it in pretty much any liquor store. If you have trouble, just ask somebody working there. I'm sure they can direct you. And then you want to add 2 cups of tomato sauce. And then you want to add 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. And then you want to add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And just want to give this a little bit of a stir. Let the flavors start to incorporate a little bit. Then you want to add 4 ounces of water. And again, if you're worried about doing things in ounces, any standard measuring cup has the ounce equivalent. And the last thing we have to do is add a bit of red pepper flakes to this. Then you basically want to bring this to a simmer. Put the heat medium-low to low. And then you want to simmer this sauce for 10 minutes. Alright, and then you want to pour this sauce into a food processor, but make damn sure you spill on the counter. Adds a little extra flavor to the sauce. Okay. Then turn your food processor on for roughly about 30 seconds till everything is pureed together. And then let it cool a little bit and pour into a condiment bottle. Or a squeeze bottle, or whatever those things are called. Alright, next step. Okay, as you can see here, I've got my chicken breast all ready. There are 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half lengthwise and seasoned up with a chicken IPA that I get from my local grocery store. But any seasoning blend will work. Pick your favorite, or just plain old salt and pepper. Alright, let's get these things on the grill. Okay, so a grill set to about medium. Season the other side of the chicken, close the lid, and give these chicken... this chicken, I think it took about 5-6 minutes to cook. Just grab a meat thermometer and make sure you hit the 165 mark. Okay, once the chicken hits about 160, when it's almost done, maybe even 150, you want to start adding that Marsala barbecue sauce that we made. And, yeah, basically close it up and let the sauce caramelize. You'll do this, I did this twice. Once, flip, squirt again, flip, squirt again, flip, squirt one final time. And the reason you wait till damn near the end of the cooking process to add the barbecue sauce is if you add it too early, that sugar in there is going to burn. Caramelized sauce tastes delicious. Burnt sauce and burnt sugar tastes like shit. So the 2 that are destined to become sandwiches, I'm going to put some cheese on now. This is just a Colby Jack cheese. The cheese really isn't important. Any will do, any kind. And the ones that are not going to have cheese on them, they're destined to go into a salad. All right, give the cheese a couple of minutes to melt up, and then it'll be time to bring the chicken into the house. Okie dokie. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. Put our lettuce on one side of the sandwich. Grab our chicken. Add just a bit more of that Marsala barbecue sauce. Of course, add some bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And then pull the top on it. And that's it. A chicken Marsala barbecue sandwich. Done.